Hello folks and welcome back to my channel. Every day in this channel I'll talk about the hot stocks that have potential to move higher, and one thing that we do differently in this channel is that we keep track of every single trade that we mention in this channel. So far in this channel we have talked about 43 trades, and out of those 43 trades 33 trades were completed, and we won 14 trades and we lost 19 trades. So our win rate so far is 42%, but this number will go high to about 55-60%. So I'm not worried about that. And as you can see, our reward to risk ratio is 2. Although our win rate is 42%, in the past month, since the beginning of this channel, we have made nearly $15,000. And that's simply because we have a favorable reward to risk ratio. In the last 2 days, 11 trades were completed. We lost 7 trades and we won 4 trades. Although we only won 4 trades, we were able to generate $700. I have covered these trades in a past video, so if you want to see the results and how they performed, please watch the previous video. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 stocks that I believe have potential to move higher, and then at the end of that we will talk about a stock that is proposed by one of our viewers, Mr. Alex B, and we'll cover that as well. So let's go to the trades and let's talk about the hot stocks that can generate money for us. The first stock is PLTR. So we're on an hourly time frame. Here you can see that we have been trading in this channel for a while, then we broke that, and today I was watching the stock and I attempted to go long in here, but look, we had a stop hunt. This is beautiful. I love this trade. So we were moving in the channel, we broke out. A lot of people probably went long in here, and honestly, if I was noticing that, I would have gone long in this spot. But fortunately I didn't notice it, and today we had a stop hunt. So this circle here is a stop hunt. People noticed this trend, put their stop loss here, and today we had a stop hunt, and now we're here. So at the end of today I went long in this spot and I put my stop loss below this wick, and I'm aiming for this high, this resistance. Basically, if you look at it, there is a strong resistance in here, and I believe the price can reach here. So I entered at $26.38, and I put my stop loss at $23.71, and I'm aiming for $37.87. That's 4.1 reward to risk ratio. That's a lot, but I'm aiming that high because I love this stop hunt. This means if we go below that, we're going to probably go a lot lower, but I love it, so I'm going to aim for the moon, 4-to-1 reward to risk ratio. Let's see if this one plays out. The next stock is DKNG. So for DKNG, we have a similar pattern, and we're on an hourly time frame again. So we had a falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern, so I expect that to go higher. We broke that, and then today we had a stop hunt. Again, here you can see we had a stop hunt, and I love this. So today, at the end of the market, I went long at $60.37, but I put my stop loss below the swing low because this is simply too far. I don't want to put my stop loss here. I put my stop loss below the swing low, and I am aiming for $67.83. Basically, I expect this stock to hit 68, but I'm going to cash out before that. This will give me a reward to risk ratio of 1.88. Let's see if this one plays out. The next stock that I'm interested in is CHWY. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Here you can see that we are moving in a rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern, and I talked about the stock in the past 2 days, and I was talking about that I wanted to short it in this spot, $130 mark, but Now, today we broke out the structure, so I went long on a retest of this trend line because we now broke the structure, so we probably go lower. So I went short at $107.77. I put my stop loss above this swing high at $121, and I'm aiming for this swing low at $88.32, which will give me a reward to risk ratio of 1.47. I think the pattern is clear. I go long or short whenever I see a clear pattern like this. So let's see if this one plays out. Okay, the next stock that I'm going to talk about is ATOS. So I talked about this stock about 2 weeks ago. So here is the video that I talked about it here. This one, Exploding Stock 6X. I like this company because this company has zero debt, not even a dollar. That is fantastic. And if you look at the video, I talked about that many institutions are buying this company. So initially, when I looked at the 4-hour time frame, I talked about it when it was here. So I was like, I'm going to go long here. I'm going to risk 1% here. I'm going to risk another 1% here. And if the price dropped to $1.2 mark, I'm going to risk another 1%. And because I believe in this company simply because it doesn't have any debt and institutions are buying that, so I'm interested to go long and invest a little bit more with this company for a potential home run. So right now I went long here by risking 1%. I went long again by risking 1%, and I'm going to buy another 1% here. And simply I am going long, and my stop loss is when this company goes bankrupt. So if the stock goes to $0, I'm going to lose 3% of my account. But I believe this stock can go to probably $20 mark in a couple of weeks. If you look at the weekly, you can see that the stock is holding between $2 and $5 in the past couple of weeks, and I think it has potential to hit a $20 mark around this area. The last stock that I'm going to cover today is XL, EXEL. This stock has been requested by Mr. Alex B, one of our viewers. So I really like this stock, so thanks Alex for introducing this stock. And I'm going to trade this stock tomorrow if this scenario happens. So let's first look at the stock. So now we're on a 4-hour time frame. The stock was trading inside this channel. We broke and then we moved higher. And now the stock is consolidating inside this triangle. And we're kind of holding this resistance line. If you can see that we are respecting the stock in this spot. We're respecting here. We're respecting that here. So tomorrow I will go long if we break this high. Basically, I'm going to buy the stock at around $23 mark, and I'm going to put my stop loss below the swing low at $21.04, and I'm aiming for this swing high at $27.29. Again, I really like the pattern, and I will go long if it breaks today's high. Let's see if this one plays out. Thanks Alex for introducing this stock. I love the pattern. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching my videos, and thanks a lot for your support by subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. I really appreciate that, and let's see if we can make more money together in this channel. Please mention any stock that you think have potential, and I'll give you my feedback about that stock, and I'll cover that in my next video. Thanks again. Manage your risk, and see you in the next video.